Good morning. Today, we're going to continue our lesson in chapter 4, lesson 7, which talking about multiply decimals. Now, as we said yesterday, in order to multiply the decimals, first of all, multiply them as a whole numbers. Then, after you finish multiplication, count how many digits after the decimal point, add them together, then locate the decimal point in the product of the two numbers. I think we stopped at number 7. That's right. 8. Okay. 8. Okay. Number 8 now. Okay, now Lana. Where is Lana? Lana? Widyan? Yes, Widyan. Now I want you to solve number 8. 3.45 times 9.7. What do you have to do first? Yeah, and you have to multiply them as the whole numbers. Yeah, 7 by 5. What is the product of multiplying 5 times 7? 35. 7 times 4. Yes. 28 plus 3. 31. 31. 7 times 3. 21 plus 3. 24. Okay, thank you, Widyan. Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Now we multiplied 7. We said 7 times 3 is 21 plus 3, 24. Now you're going to multiply 9 now. What do you have to add first? 0. Bravo. Then next. 9 times 5. 45. Bravo. 9 times 4. 36. Plus 4. 4. 40. Then 9 times 3. 27. Plus 4. 31. Yes, bravo. The next, what do you have to do? You have to add 5 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 1. Bravo. Then let's come back now to our question here. Now, as you see, how many digits after the decimal point? Yeah, see. Hey, 1, 2 up and 1 digit down. Add them together, you have a 3. So 1, 2, 3, and the decimal point will be where? Between which two numbers? Bravo. So the answer is 33.465,000. Sorry? Okay. Now, Charlie has an adult Netherlands dwarf rabbit, as you see in this picture here. I put pictures for you in order to understand. Now, he has a rabbit. Its name, its type, sorry, is a Netherlands dwarf rabbit. Its weight, it weighs 1.2 kilograms. So the weight of this rabbit is 1.2 kilogram. Cliff's, now there's his friend, has an adult Angora rabbit, which is the white one. And as you see, it's very fat. It weighs 2.9 times Charlie's rabbit. Okay, so the rabbit, the weight of the gray one or the dwarf rabbit is 1.2. The weight of the white one, or we can say the Angora rabbit, as you see, it's a very fat one. Its weight is 2.9 times Charlie's rabbit. So how much does Cliff's rabbit weigh? What's your name? Who's talking? Yes, Malak.
Yes. So when we multiply,
Bravo. How do you know that you have to multiply? Why you don't add? Or and imagine now you are on the final test. You have some word problem like this, and you don't know. Do you have to add, multiply, divide? How do you know that you have to multiply? What is the keyword that show you that you have to multiply? How much? No, this is not multiply mean. Times. Yes, bravo. Thank you, Malak. If you see like 2.9 times something, it's mean you have to multiply this number 1.2 by 2.9. So yes.
so we have 2 times 9 equals 18.
Bravo. Now wait, 9 times 1. No, you have to finish first. 9 times 1 plus 1, 10. Then what you have to add down? Yes, bravo. Then 4, bravo, and equals 2. Then bravo. 8. Bravo. Bravo, it's gonna be here because Malak looked at here. She said that because the decimal, we have a 1 digit after the decimal point, 1 digit after the decimal point. So we're gonna add them together. So after 2 digits. So 1, 2. So its weight. So the Angora rabbit with Cliff's rabbit. Okay, I want to say its type. The Cliff is a name. Cliff's rabbit with 3.48 kilograms. Yes. Yes, this is the final answer. Thank you, Mara. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm waiting. You can finish writing. Did you finish? No. Gina? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. Thank you, Malak. Now, Gina bought 2.5 or Rina 2.5 pounds of peach that is cost 1.38 per pound at the grocery store. So she bought a peach and they go to the grocery store. They go ask the farmer or the salesperson how much it costs. They told her that each pound is $1.38. She told him, okay, I want to buy 2.5 pounds. Now, Amy, she goes to another market, local farmer market, and she purchased 3.5 pounds. Okay, and when they asked them, they told him that each pound cost $0.98. Who spent more money? Is it Gina or Amy? And how much more? So this is her for. لا, ما you have to calculate in order to know. See. Let's. Okay. Let's find it together. Okay, girls? Let's find it together. Now, Hala Bashar. Yes, Hala. No, I want Hala Bashar. Hala? Okay. Okay, Gilan? Yes, Gina. I want now to find how much money does Gina pay? Yeah, you have to multiply 1.38 times 2.5. So, first of all, you have to multiply 1.38 times 2.5.
Add the 0 and put the 4 on top of the 3.
So 40. 5 times 3 is 4. 19. 5 times 1. 6. Bravo.
2 times
First add 0. 2 times 8, 16. Plus 1. 2 times 1. Yeah. Bravo. Then where you should put the decimal point? Bravo. Bravo. So now Gina, she pay or she yes, she pay $3,450 for the basket of peach that she bought it. Now this is for now let's find for Amy. Let's choose Hunada. Yes, Hunada. I want now to find how much money does Amy spend for or does pay for the peaches. What do you have to do? By 3.5. Bravo. Yes. Sorry. Just yes. Bravo. Thank you. So here we found that after we solve it, that Amy spent 3.430 hundredths for the peaches. Now let's see who spent more. Let's ask. I want to choose Dina. Yes, Dina. Here now, after you, as you see, we multiplied them together, and we found that Amy spent 3.430 and Rina spent 3.450. I ask you now, who spent more money? Yeah, so Dina said, since 3.450 is greater than 3.430, so who pay money? Who pay more money? Is it Amy? Yes. You're gonna be clear. Is it clear, girls? Now the next part. How much more does, you can say that, Gina spent? How much more? Let's ask Isra. Yes, Isra, how much more did Gina pay more than Amy? How much more? What do you mean by how much more? This is a keyword to do what? To add or subtract or multiply or divide. How much more you have to add? If I ask you about the total, you have to add. But how much more? How much more? What do you have to do? See, how much more is a keyword for what? Who can tell me? No, it's not multiply. Who can tell me? How much more? Let's see, Malak, before in the question number 20, she said that times is a keyword to multiply. If I see times, you have to multiply. If you see how much more, what do you have to do? No. How much more? What? How much more, girls? It means subtract. How much more? Rina, buy more than Amy. You have to subtract 3.450 minus 3.430. So remember, how much more is a keyword. That means you have to subtract. Now, yeah. How much Gina pay? She paid 3.450. How much Amy pay? She paid 3.430. And as you know, we have to subtract the small minus the greatest one. Then 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. 0. So how much? 20 what? You can say $0.2 or you can say 20 or 2 cents. Sorry. Yes, that's it. Is it clear? Yeah. I give you now 1 minute in order to write. I'm waiting you. Sorry? What did you say? Write in your notebook. What did you say? Yes. لا, it's Gina. 3.450. It's greater than 3.430. No, miss. Who said 2.5? How? Miss, don't compare between 2.5 and 3.5. Compare the products, the shaded squares. 3.450 and 3.430. Did you finish writing? Okay. Now, Noor. Nourilina. Yes, Noor. Number 12. 3.4 times 5.2. So yeah, first deal with them as a whole number. So just a minute, please. So you have to say it is 34 times 52. Yeah, 2 times 4. 8. 2 times 3. 6. Then you have to add. You have to add 0. 5 times 4. 20. 5 times 3 plus 2, 17. Then what do you have to do? Add 8, 6, 7, 1. Now then, where you should put a decimal point? Here you have 1 digit, and here you have 1 digit. So where you should put a decimal point? See, hello, we said we have 2 digits. So the first one cover the first digit. The second one cover the second digit. So where you should, it will be here. Yes, bravo. So the answer is 17.68. Thank you, Noor. Jude. Jude. Noura. Yes, Noura. Number Number 13. 0.9 times 2.46. What do you have to do first? Multiply 9 and 2, 4, 6. Yeah, 9 times 6. Or you can say like, put them like 246 times 9. Yeah, 9 times 6, 54. Don't worry, okay. 9 times 4, 36 plus 5, 41. 9 times 2, plus 4, yes, 22. Then, where do you have to put the decimal point? Here you have 1, here we have 2, here we have 3. A 1, 2, and 3. Move them. So where do you have to put the decimal point? Bravo, between 2 and 2. So the answer is 2 and 214 thousandths. Thank you, Noura. Okay, now who I want to answer now? Me. Zain. Zain. It's the same page, miss, but go backward. Zain. Yes, Zain. I want you now to solve number 15. Number 15. 601 times what? 48. Yes, bravo. Yeah. 8 times 1. It's 8. 8 times 0. 0. 8 times 6. 48. 8 times 6 is 48. Then what do you have to add down in order to multiply for 0? 4 times 1. 4. 4 times 0. 4 times 6. 24. Then 8 plus 0. 8. 0 plus 4. 4. 8 plus 0. 8. 4 plus 4. 8 and 2. Then where do you have to put the decimal point? After how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So we have to put it after 3 digits. So it's gonna be 28.848 thousandths. Thank you, Zen. Noura, Muna. Muna, number 19. Yes, Muna, number 19. Yeah, let's try the numbers without decimal point. Decimal point. 12. Bravo. 3 times 8. 24. 3 times 5. 17. Bravo. Then what do you have to add down? 0. Yes. 12. Yes. 12. 3 times 1. 3. 4. 3 times 8. 24. 3 times 5. 15 plus 2, 17. Then let's add them together. 7 plus 4, 11. 9 and 1. Then where you have to put the decimal point? See, yeah, bravo. Here now, we have 2. Here we have 1. So we have to put it after 3 digits. Thank you. So the answer is 191.862,000. Yes, that's it. Thank you for listening. Do you have any question?